Bitcoin jumped up over $30,000 today. That is a pretty big deal. Why? We're going to take a look at really a couple of key factors. There's a couple of key pieces in the news right now that you need to be aware of. So we're going to jump into this. As always, if you haven't done so, please, please, please hit that like button below. That tells the algorithm that we're here, spreads the message, helps me a little bit, and I greatly appreciate it. And consider subscribing as well. Okay. So what is going on? All right. Remember, as I said, Bitcoin jumps up over 30,000 as ETF hope drives bulls. We know that the Bitcoin ETFs are coming. They will be approved. It's just a matter of when. We also know what we know that Gary Gensler / the SEC is anti-crypto. We know this, but ultimately, I think that political and public and popular pressure is going to win out in this capacity. Okay. And to give you a little bit more fuel for that, SEC likely to approve spot Bitcoin ETF in next few months via JP Morgan saying this, and maybe even having approval before January 10th. That would be awesome. That would start off 2024 with a pretty significant proverbial bang, if you will. That is what we really, really, truly need. Okay. Now, why is crypto up today? Why has Bitcoin moved up today? I think it is this rumor, speculation, maybe anticipation, if you will, of the Bitcoin ETFs being approved. But the lead story here is that the SEC has dropped their lawsuit against the president of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, and the chairman, Chris Larson, I believe is his name, but I know Larson's his last name, basically dropping the lawsuit against those two individuals. Now, the lawsuit against Ripple is still there. You know, the SEC versus Ripple, and I'm really talking about the appeal here. Okay. So, but that is part of the euphoria you're seeing, I think, as well, is that SEC, the perception that the SEC is caving, if you will, dropping the lawsuit against the president and chairman of, of Ripple, et cetera. Okay. So you see, XRP has been on fire, up 6.5+%. You can see right here, this is the chart right here. This is the trading view chart. So let me show you this. On a side note, links in the description below if you want to pick this up. My software, this is my trading indicator software right here. It gave a buy alert 2 hours before this massive candle. And you can see after that alert, we're basically up almost 7+%. Okay. And so that's my software, works real time. You're seeing it there, works. Links in the description below if you want to pick it up. There's a discount code down there that makes this $37, or you can use it on a quarterly if you want. Basically, it's $1 a day is what it really comes down to, a little bit more. And by the way, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. You can use this software anywhere in the world on any device. I have alerts sent to my cell phone so that when it's time to buy and when it's time to sell, because looking at XRP, like right here, it's going to be a point to sell, right? So taking a look at Bitcoin right here, you can see, look right here, it came in and it's giving right there a momentum up, and right there, that's a 9 to almost 10% move up. My software alerted it, said, okay, it's time to buy. That's 10% gain. To give you some perspective, if you put, say $1,000 in, if you happen to buy $1,000 of Bitcoin, you would have gotten your 1,000 back if you sold and made, of course, $100 in profit. Okay. So that's what this software does. Check it out. Links in the description below. But you can see real time right here. It's working. By the way, there's on the thank you page, which is right here. I've got videos, testimonial videos that walk you through everything you need to do to set it up. You're up and running in less than 10 minutes. And you can also use this for stocks. Now, here, this is for Netflix, Apple's right here. You can see it's working for Apple. Momentum up right there, momentum down. It's giving you those alerts right there. Okay. I'm actually curious what that one is right there. That's a 3% move up. Yeah. Okay. So again, okay, you can use it for stocks, crypto, futures, commodities. There's a couple of others. That's all I got. Hopefully you are making some money in this market, because that's the goal, right? We're all here to make money. Bitcoin jumping up over 30,000. Is this going to last? Okay, well, we'll have to see how the lay of the land lays out, but we'll see. Have a good one. Take care. Go make some money. Bye.